Alright everyone, welcome back to another video. Alright girls and boys, this is unboxing, the second to last unboxing video for today. We're about to wrap it up, and this one's quick and easy, man. Another loose item, but we're gonna use the force to open this bad boy up. Alright, and all it is iPhone cable. Because people always ask me, Chris, Santiago, do you have an iPhone charger? I'm like, no, because I don't have an iPhone. But I'm considerate for people, so now if anybody rolls with me in my car or is with me and they ask me, yes, I have an iPhone charger for you. Alright, and it's purple like Prince. Alright everyone, that's it, man. Hope you guys like it. It's cool, it's nice and long. And there you go, my peeps. iPhone charger cable. Alright. Smash that like. Hit that thumbs button. Comment. Share the video. Hit the subscribe button. And hit the notification bell. Alright, everyone. I'll see ya later. Peace. Love.